SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a well-established company that offers a wide range of surveying services, including land surveying, in Chandigarh. As a government-approved land surveyor, we have the expertise and experience to accurately measure and map out land boundaries, topographical features, and any other relevant information required for various projects. Our team of skilled surveyors is equipped with the latest technology and tools to ensure precise and reliable results. When it comes to land surveying services in Chandigarh, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a trusted name. We understand the importance of accurate land surveys in various sectors such as construction, infrastructure development, urban planning, and more. Our team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and deliver tailor-made solutions that meet their needs. As a government-approved land surveyor in Chandigarh, we adhere to the highest standards of professionalism and ethics. We follow all the necessary guidelines and regulations set by the government to ensure that our surveys are legally valid and reliable. Our survey reports are detailed and comprehensive, providing clients with all the necessary information they need for their projects. At SCON Design India Pvt Ltd, we pride ourselves on our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. We strive to deliver accurate and timely results, ensuring that our clients can make informed decisions based on our survey findings. With our expertise in land surveying and our strong track record of successful projects, we have gained the trust and confidence of clients across Chandigarh. In conclusion, if you are looking for a government-approved land surveyor in Chandigarh, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is your go-to company. With our experienced team, advanced technology, and commitment to excellence, we can provide you with accurate and reliable land surveying services that meet your specific requirements. Contact us today to discuss your project needs and let us help you achieve success. Meta description: accurately measure and map land boundaries with SCON Design India Pvt Ltd, a trusted government-approved land surveyor in Chandigarh. Get precise and reliable results for your projects.